we gon' put it right to their face. Yeah, shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back on another bang, man. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to get your hands on the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Fragment that is going to be dropping this July 29th for $200 US. Make sure you guys do stay tuned for the entire video so you don't miss a single section on how to get your hands on these shoes. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do go down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more content like this in the future. The video is only going to get better, man. Stay tuned. Now, for this release, there's been a lot of rumors going around, a lot of stock number rumors going around. I've been hearing 5,000 stock, 20,000 stock. I don't think any of those are anywhere close to the truth. But in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys what I think stock is gonna be for this shoe and the rumors that I've heard from trusted sources. And based off of what I've heard from trusted sources, this release is gonna be a sneakers exclusive release and a Travis Scott website exclusive release. No other websites are gonna be releasing these shoes. It's only gonna be those two websites. So sadly, this means there's not gonna be any zero-tier retailers that are gonna be releasing these shoes. Pairs are only gonna be distributed between those two sources, which is gonna be the sneakers app and the Travis Scott website. Now, EU tier 0 retailers have already confirmed that they're not gonna be releasing any pairs through their websites. They're not receiving any pairs to release. So I'm sure the US websites are gonna be following suit with the EU websites. They're most likely not gonna be receiving any pairs to release to the public to where it's only limited to those two websites. So we can most likely expect Undefeated, Kith, and all those other Shopify sites to not be releasing any pairs for this release. All right, so for how to cop off the Travis Scott website raffle. Now, as you guys know, when Travis Scott does release shoes, he does tend to do raffles. Back in the day, he did used to do first come, first serve on the Shopify site. That was back in the good old days, bro. Easy cop, you feel what I'm saying? But
stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
so it's most likely going to be a raffle that is going to happen at 12 a.m. EST, so make sure you guys are ready for that. Now, how this is probably going to go, a new site domain is probably going to load. It's probably going to be a totally new domain, a totally new URL that is going to load on the link. And the raffle is going to be available and open for only a couple hours. I do expect it to be open for 1 or 2 hours, you know what I'm saying, so everybody can get their entries in. Now, if you guys do want to make multiple entries to increase your chances and increase your probability, I would recommend making entries on different IP addresses. Now, if you guys do use the same IP address to make multiple entries, like, you know, 3 to 10 entries, bro, you most likely gonna get banned from the raffle and you're not gonna have no chance at all. I would do 1 or 2 per device. So if you guys do wanna try to enter on your phone, on your laptop, on your tablet, you feel what I'm saying? Make sure you guys do use different devices and are on different IP addresses when you are making these multiple entries. If not, your entries will get filtered out and you're not gonna have any chance on the shoe. Now, exclusive access will most likely go out on this pair a week prior to the release. So make sure you guys do stay alert, stay close to your phones because this could happen at any time, but it's most likely gonna happen a week prior to the release. So make sure you guys do stay tuned for that. Now, at 10 a.m. EST on July 29th, sneakers is gonna be releasing the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Fragment. And it's probably going to be a Dan release. Now, I do say a Dan release because this has happened multiple times in the past. Every time Travis Scott does release a sneaker, every sneaker Travis Scott releases, bro, it's always a Dan release. Now, if you guys didn't know, a Dan release is a 10-minute draw. So this does give you 10 minutes to enter in as much accounts as possible. Try to enter in as much as you can, bro. As much as you can to increase your chances just that much more because as you guys know, Travis Scott, this is a hype shoe. Multiple people are going to be going for these, bro. Millions of people are going to be going for these sneakers. So you need every chance you can get. I would try to make as much accounts as possible, get as many people's numbers as you can to try to make yourself some accounts in order to get as many entries into this raffle. Now, sneakers is probably going to be your best chance because his raffle does sometimes get botted. Now, it is a low chance because a lot of bots don't really coincide with the Travis Scott raffle. A lot of them do get filtered out of entries, but just in case, bro, it is probably going to be some bots that are effective on this raffle. So sneakers is probably going to be your best chance. Now, I know sneakers get botted too, but I don't know, bro, it's different. I feel like you got a better chance on sneakers than you do on the raffle. So make sure you guys do get your accounts ready because this is going to be your best chance, in my opinion, on copping these shoes. Make sure you guys do get ready for this drop. Now, in the EU, sneakers is also going to be one of your best chances. Sneakers is going to be dropping at 9 a.m. CEST for my EU boys. So make sure you guys do get up for these shoes, bro. Definitely going to be worth it. And this is most likely going to be a Dan drop as well, just like the US drop. All right, so let's get to the resale predictions, bro. Now, as you guys know, bro, any Travis Scott sneaker is always going to be profitable. I don't care what sneaker it is. I don't care what pretty much item, bro. You can get a clothing item and resell that boy. So resale is gonna be crazy, bro. I'm gonna pop up a picture right now of what resale is looking like at the moment. Looking ridiculous, bro. I'm telling you, especially on lowest ask, looking crazy. I think on lowest ask, bro, I didn't see anything below 2,200, bro. Everything is above 2,200, around like the 2,500 range. Shoes are looking crazy. Resale is looking crazy for these sneakers. Now, as you guys know, demand is really crazy and the stock is very, very limited. That's a good mix. Like I said in my last video, if you guys haven't watched either of these videos right here, I'm gonna pop them up. If If you guys haven't watched those videos, make sure you guys do watch those videos to just learn the basics and how to know if a sneaker is gonna be profitable and gonna resell for a good amount. These are the two most important factors, bro. Limited stock and high demand, bro. This is crazy. Resell is gonna go crazy, bro. I know resell is pretty high right now and we are a few days out from the release, but I don't see them dropping too much because this shoe has been hyped up and it has been anticipated for a long period of time. Now, if you guys do decide to hold these shoes, I do see you making your money back over time exponentially because this is a Travis Scott Jordan 1 in Fragment collab. You can't go wrong with that, bro. So if you guys do plan on holding, it's a good investment in my opinion. I'm not giving financial advice, but it's a good investment in my opinion. Now, if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys go down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more content like this in the future. It's been your boy. I'm out.